Hello guys, good morning. So today is Saturday, October 9, and currently I am on my second day of managed isolation here in New Zealand, and I'm here in Christchurch at Commodore Hotel. And I just want to share to you about my experience when I arrived here in New Zealand. So first, yesterday when I arrived, very organized yung team. Meron silang specific lane for newly arrivals. And dumaan ako sa series of checks. Meron silang first dumaan sa immigration, tapos in-x-ray tapos kinuha ko yung luggage ko, tapos dumaan ulit ng x-ray. After nun, merong military man, tapos sila yung nagsasabi kung saang bus ka pupunta. And then by the time na nasa bus ka na, dun pa lang ma-announce kung saang hotel kami dadalhin. And then finally, when we arrived at the hotel, nagsalita yung military man, tapos nagsabi siya kung ano yung mga dapat i-expect dito sa managed isolation. Sinabi niya yung mga protocols and mga rules na ini-implement nila for the isolation. Hindi naman sila scary and all. They also explained that they are just human beings, and kaya dapat silang i-respect and i-treat kindly as well, same as us. So, nung bumaba na kami ng bus, dumaan muna kami sa parang isang table. Tapos, binigyan kami ng parang small envelope. Tapos, nakalagay doon kung ano yung magiging room number namin. Tapos, meron silang binigay ng mga stickers na dapat naming i-stick sa mga luggages namin. Sila na yung magdadala ng luggage namin sa room. So, pag-arrive sa room, merong naka-prepare na parang quick meal para sa'yo, yung parang isang sandwich tapos isang cookies tapos isang crisp, and wala silang drinks, guys. Wala silang water or di kaya juice or any cola na nasa fridge, but the top is drinkable water naman. So mag-boil ka lang ng water, tsaka pag nag-cool down na, yun yung pwede mong i-drink. Tapos after half an hour, dumating na yung 2 luggages ko. Tapos yun, inopen ko na siya, nakapag freshen up na ako. And then after an hour, dumating na yung mga nurses, tas nag-swab na sila for the day 0/1 swab test, and eventually hopefully the result will come out after 24 hours or 48 hours. Tas yun pa lang yung time na magkakaroon kami ng blue band, tsaka yun yung magiging parang access mo to get out at specific time for us to have a walk around dyan sa labas. So yan lang muna yung update ko, guys. Watch out for the part 2 of this video kasi i-share ko sa inyo kung ano itsura ng room ko.